This is my 2015 Dodge Dart Aero Turbo. I've got 43,740 miles on it. It's 10:51, 53 degrees out on April 1st. And I'm not April fooling you. The roads are dry, it's cloudy, overcast. And I'm traveling on 11W, just passing Jackson Road ahead in Rogersville, Tennessee. And I've had this for a long time, the shortage of wires in my dash. They keep shorting out, making noises, and Dodge does not want to do anything about it. My car smokes after I drive it about 20 minutes. And I wanted them to drive it with me somewhere. They wouldn't do it. But they drove it 30 miles by themselves so they could check it. And they found nothing. And as you can hear the ticking noise in my dash. Sounds like two wires touching, shorting out, electrical. The smoke I smell in the car after 20 minutes makes me dizzy and sleepy and gives me a really bad headache. And I'm afraid I'm going to fall asleep driving. I changed the cabin air filter in the car, and it seems to have made the smoke worse. And my cabin air filter was black with smoke. And I will pull over right here and I will show you my cabin air filter that I took out. Proof that I bought a new one. This is my old cabin air filter that I took out just a few days ago at, less mileage than that, but not very much. And this is one side, that's the other side, and you can see where something has been burning in my car. There's fibers. And so I got a new cabin air filter put in, and the smoke is worse. And there's my receipt for the new one. And I had it put in, and the smoke is worse. And now I'm headed to the Dodge dealership again to tell them that the air filter did not work. That's what the guy at Tri-City Dodge in Kingsport told me was wrong with it, that I needed a new cabin air filter and my smoke would stop. And that's just totally ridiculous. And so I'm headed, he told me to take my car somewhere else, so I'm headed to Rogersville Dodge to tell him what he told me and see what they have to say. And this is part 1, and I will be downloading part 2 here following this one. And this is April 1st, 2017, 10:55 a.m., 53 degrees out, 43,742 miles, and I'm in Rogersville.